Hi everybody, welcome back to another vlog. The last time we vlogged was in Prague and we are prepping in this vlog to go to Palma. I have not been to Palma in years and years. I'm so excited to go back. But I thought I got a new camera. My mum and dad very kindly treated me to the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 and I wanted to get used to using that. So I thought we would do a little prep for Palma vlog. I'm going to be doing nails, lashes, getting last minute bits at the shop. So come along on this little prep with me vlog. We are going on holiday in just a matter of days and I have a few bits that I need to prep before we go away, so I thought we could do it together. I need to dye my eyebrows really badly, so that is the first thing on the agenda today. I really like this eye lure kit. I have been using it for a long time. You literally just paint it on. I actually use a little eyeliner brush and I find it so much easier. And the kit literally cost me like £6 on Amazon. And then it was time to unbox my new Vieve goodies. This is the Heroes bag and it literally has all the Vieve heroes in it. And I am going to pack it now for our trip. So I'm basically just going to pack all my makeup that I'm going to take with me. I did think that I wasn't going to take too much, but then ended up filling this bag to the brim. To be fair, the bag is a little bit smaller than my usual makeup bag, but it is genuinely the perfect size and it is so nice. If you can't tell, I am obsessed with Vieve. I absolutely love every single product that I have tried so far, and being able to try and switch out my other brands to Vieve is honestly so worth it. If you haven't tried Vieve before, you have to try their stuff. This is the new blush and lip dew combo in the shade Rosa. So I have the Sunset Blush Balm and the lip dew, which is honestly so nice. I have already had Rosa before, and then this is the new shade of lip dew in the shade Socialite, which is such a lovely colour. I have tried it with lots of different liners as well and it matches everything. It's honestly so versatile. So I just let my eyebrows set whilst I was packing my bag and here they are. Holiday prep is way underway and I'm starting off with making sure all the creases are out of most of my clothes. I did buy a few things off Shein and they have came mega crushed, as you can imagine. I actually took this green dress to Florida with us and I done like a little Tiana bound and I got so many compliments on it, so I'm definitely going to take that to Palma. But as you can see, look at the state. So let's get this fixed. That just looks so much better. It's not perfect, but definitely better than what it was, and it'll save me doing full-on ironing when we're away. The next part in this prep video, I was going to go and get my nails done at like a local nail spa, but I am just going to get the Primark press-ons again because they were actually really good the last couple of trips I've been on. So let's go and see if they've got the little press-on nails that I normally get. Also, ignore the fact I don't have mascara on. I am going to try and do my own lashes. I did get a Tatti Lashes kit in Boots. I do want to try and get more lashes for that though, so maybe we'll go to Boots as well. But I am going to plan to do them either tonight or tomorrow, and I wanted to have no mascara on so that my lashes are nice and fresh. There's no single packs in Boots. I've just came into Superdrug and they've got the single packs. This is what I've gone for on buy one get one half price. £43 whole later and it genuinely feels like I've hardly got anything in this bag. But I did go to Primark as well as getting my nails because I was looking for a bag. I seen it one I really liked on Uniqlo, but I don't have time to get to a Uniqlo and I don't have time for delivery. So I got one in there for a tenner, which isn't bad because I need a bigger bag than these style for this camera and my mics. So I wanted to get a bigger one. I will show you when I get home. Next stop is sunbed. Now I don't recommend going on a sunbed, but I do want to have like a little bit of a base colour, so I went on one a couple of weeks ago and I'm going to go for another one today in the hopes that I've got like a little bit of a base colour for going to Palma Nova. Perfect. So we had just done the Twilight check-in down at Edinburgh Airport, and then it was time to dry my hair. This was in need of a good wash, and I wanted it nice and fresh for our travel day, so I am just blow drying it now. My hair is dry. I am absolutely roasting. My cheeks are like so flush. But I did get the Tatti Lashes kit, and that's what I'm planning to do today. I actually went to Boots and got another add-on, so I'll show you what I got. This is the kit that I picked up first. It's quite a natural kit. It says like soft natural look. And then I added on, the other day I picked up when I went to Boots and Primark, the cluster lashes, but these are the ones in ultra wispy. So I thought they might be quite nice like on the end. Let's see. I'm going to attempt to do this. I don't know how well this is going to go. But I'm also going to do my nails as well because I look like a little guy just now. And I really love the Primark press-on nails. So that was another thing that I picked up when I took you along on a little haul earlier on this vlog, on a little trip. So I'm going to do these. They're like literally £1.30 and I've got a spare pack in my case. Also, I've put my little phone light on because I feel like I need to see a bit better in this light. So excuse this really harsh light. But it just says that all you do is brush a light coat of the Bond to clean lashes. Coat from the root of your lashes to around halfway up. Then gently loosen and peel your cluster using your fingers or applicator as close to the cluster root. Then using your lash applicator, lift the cluster from the tips of the lashes. Place it and then you basically seal it with the Bond. Okay. Let's attempt this, guys. It might be a nightmare. It might be rotten, but we'll try it. Little cluster ones. I don't think I want a full lash of clusters though. That's the au natural ones. I am so nervous about doing this. Okay, I need to brush this on. This is the Bond and the seal. I'll maybe just put my little cluster ones down there. Will that look stupid if I do thick and thin? Okay, the Bond. Oh, it's like a little mascara wand. Can you see that? Okay, here goes. I'm just going to do like a little tiny bit at a time, I think. I'll maybe try these cluster ones. I'll maybe go for like these style. Oh my god, they definitely don't make this easy. So I've done one eye and it's not perfect at all. I'm on my second one now and I definitely feel a bit more confident on the second eye, but this one was a bit of a fail. So I'm going to finish them and then I'll show you the finished product. So the lashes are on and that was way harder and took way longer than I thought it would. This eye was fine, but this eye was an absolute nightmare. But they're on and hopefully they'll be okay when I wake up in the morning. I just need to do my nails and then I need to get to bed and get to sleep. It's now 9:20 and I should have been in bed at least an hour ago. Nails are done. They are literally just £1.30 from Primark and I'm obsessed. I've got a spare pair in my case. We live over the flight path, by the way, so if you can hear that, it's a plane going overhead. Just before I wrap up this vlog, I did want to go back and talk about the Twilight check-in. So we are flying with Jet2 in the morning. Our flight is at 6 AM, so we could do the Twilight check-in down at Edinburgh Airport. We have rider cards, so we parked at the park and ride, and we got the tram obviously down to the airport, and we checked in and it was so smooth. They literally just checked our passports, went through the usual check-in process, and they took our phone number just in case anything, fingers crossed, does not happen during the night. And then tomorrow we literally just turn up to the airport and go through security. It was honestly great. Our bags went along the little belt and we were like, see you later, see you in Palma hopefully. But yeah, it was so smooth, so easy, and I would definitely do that again, absolutely. Lashes are on after fighting with them for ages. Nails are done. Tomorrow is going to be travel day. I'm so excited. I hope you stay for all the Palma vlogs. I'm going to have loads of vlogs from Disneyland Paris at Christmas as well. And hopefully you've enjoyed this little prep for Palma vlog. I am just practicing on this camera as well. This is a DJI OSMO, so I'm trying to get as much practice in as possible. Feel free to subscribe and hopefully I shall see you in our Palma travel day. Bye!